Sorry, start from the beginning. Actually, the camera was not on. Yes, please start.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Harish. I am going to tell about you nature. Do you know what we get from harming nature? We having, we giving.
Good.
We have given to nature exactly as we have. Do you know, guys? People throw garbage in the sea of Mumbai. But
No issues, start.
but that but no, that happened again. People by sea she returned the people of Mumbai. People cut trees, and after that, what happened again? Happen again. People cut trees. After that, what happened again? People started getting sick. They dying due to lack of oxygen and on oxygen. In the coming time, we will have to travel with cylinder. God has given us this nature. God has given us this nature. It is your duty. Let us take care of it. I love my India. I love my mother. Thank you.
Well done. Clap for Harish. Well done. So next, who is here? So well done. Clap for Mohan. We have Mohan with us next. Only 5 minutes more. Okay. Then we will wind up the session. I will give you a chance. Yes, we have Karthik. Then we will wind up the session. Yes, beta. Start.
Hi guys, good evening. My name is Mohan. I am going to speak on the topic Mother Earth. Today we have this we plan to eat. Where see how Mother Earth. This give you essential this to life we are get up medicine we are fruit we are get up fruit vegetable to eat we get water to drink water if is where import build we are watching water and throwing chemical in the river
That's it. So well done, clap for Mohan. We have Mohan with us. So next we have with us Karthik. Clap for Karthik. Who is the second last? After that is the last. Then we will wind up the session. Who is left? Agrish. Yes, we will start.
Hi guys, good evening to all. I am Karthik. I am going to speak on my topic Mother Earth. We live on Mother Earth. It is very beautiful planet in universe. We are connected to Earth. There were many trees on Earth, but today are not. Why trees are running around? We are cutting trees, and the level of oxygen is very less. We are cutting many trees and making paper. All people produce pollution. And makes air. It is harmful for nature. People throw garbage on the road. Road is very dirty. People throw chemicals in rivers and many fishes die. It is harmful for nature. Animal lives in forest. We are destroying the forest and making buildings. We are eating animals and these species are lost. China eat animal and break out COVID-19. Because COVID-19 many people are dying. It is harmful for nature. We can save Mother Earth and our trees, natural vegetation, natural resource, electricity, water. Thank you.
Well done, clap for Karthik. So, well done, clap for Yogesh. We have Yogesh with us. Guys, here's the second last. Okay. Actually, I found one more guy. Actually, he is sitting over here. One more guy, then we will wind up the session. Yes, Vita.
Hi guys, good evening to all of you. I am sharing my Mother Earth. My Mother Earth is very beautiful. My Mother Earth. My Mother Earth gives us water, fruits and vegetables. We shall ride cycle. We shall plant and trees.
Well done, clap for Yogesh. So we have the last one. Well done, clap for Girish. We have Girish with us. Girish, better come in center little bit. Start. Last one, can you listen without noise, without speaking anything? Yes, Veda, start. Guys, keep quiet, everyone. Yes, Veda, start.
My name is Krish. I study in second class.
That's it. So well done, clap for Girish. Have patience. Thank you so much for all of you. That
Sir, welcome.
thank you so much for all
Most
of
welcome,
you.
sir.
If you speak in a single word, I will send you home. बेटा, know before you speak. In front of whom are you speaking? आपको पता है किसके सामने बोल रहे हो? आपको पता है? क्या मैं आपको बताऊं? Do you know? In front of whom are you speaking? How dare you to speak? आपकी हिम्मत कैसे है बोलने की? Do you also misbehave in front of your parents? Do you speak same? See, when I speak, nobody should dare to speak anything. Okay, when I allow you to speak, speak. Have some manners. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank you to all of you and giving you a lot of wishes that you came on the stage and you experienced a new thing. You came over here, you spoke something good, you all tried hard. I'm really happy with that. I'm really completely, I would say, chill. बहुत frank हूँ, chill हूँ, मजा आ गया. Did you experience or not? Did you enjoy the experience or not? How many people spoke first time? First time. Who gave speech first time on the stage? They faced the people first time. How was your experience? Did you enjoy? Did you feel hesitation? Did you feel? कैसा लगा था भाग जाओ यहाँ से? How many of you felt that I should run away from the stage? कितने लोगों को लगा था कि मैं स्टेज से भाग जाऊँ बस? गेट मिले बस निकलूँ यहाँ से? कहाँ बिठा दिया? पता नहीं कौन सा क्राइम कर रहे थे? All are looking at me. सब ऐसे घूरे जा रहे हैं मुझे. कि क्राइम कर दिया क्या? ऐसा लग रहा था? नहीं. अच्छा मजा किस किस को आया? Did you all enjoy? Okay. Do you want? Okay, wait. Do you want the same session next time or not? आप चाहते हैं कि अगली बार भी सेशन कंडक्ट किया जाए और नहीं?
Yes, sir.
How many of you want the session next time? Once again. आप में से कितने लोग चाहते हैं कि सेशन दोबारा हो? Be honest. Be honest. आप नहीं चाहते, कोई इशू नहीं है. Do you all want? I got your point, please. Everyone wants to be a great speaker. सब एक अच्छा स्पीकर बनना चाहते हैं. Okay, just tell me how will you become a great speaker? आप एक अच्छे स्पीकर कैसे बनेंगे? नहीं बेटा, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैंने आईएएस बनने के लिए लिखा है. मैंने कहा है how will you become a great speaker? एक अच्छे स्पीकर कैसे बनोगे?
जब गुड लिस्नर बनेंगे.
Well done, clap for Ayush. But I will tell you, he is the person, he is giving everyone advice, be a good listener, but he has the worst listening skill. इनकी सबसे ज़्यादा ही listening skill खराब है. So I am thinking to conduct one session, public listening skill, हाँ? Public listening competition, हाँ? जहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको 2 घंटे सुनना होगा बैठ करके. फर्स्ट आओगे, फिर इतना बोल क्यों रहे थे? Why were you speaking? Guys, wait. Let me tell you one thing. If you want to be a great speaker, first of all you need to be a great listener. You want to become a great listener. Okay, just tell me how will you be a great listener? पहले आप मुझे बताओ great listener बनेंगे कैसे? Tell me. Okay, just tell me why we need to become a great listener. हमें बनना क्यों है? So we can become a great speaker. अगर आप दूसरों को ही नहीं सुन सकते, how can you expect that they are going to listen to you? अगर आप ही नहीं सुन सकते हो किसी को, तो आप कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि आप बाकी लोग भी आपको सुनने लगे? You did not learn. You need to learn this art. Be a good listener so others can listen to you. Because listeners are more intelligent than speaker. आपको पता है लिसनर जो होते हैं ना वो स्पीकर से ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं. कि इंटेलिजेंट खाली ज्ञान बांटता है, लिसनर जो होता है वो ज्ञान को ले रहा है, एब्सॉर्ब कर रहा है. अर्जुन क्या कर रहे थे? What Arjuna was doing? He was just listening to Krishna. He was just listening to Krishna. He was just wants to get some knowledge from him. And why do you not want knowledge from others? आप औरों से knowledge क्यों नहीं चाहते हैं? Why do you not want? आप औरों से knowledge क्यों नहीं चाहते हैं? आप नहीं चाहते कि आपको भी knowledge मिले? Do you not want this thing? नहीं चाहते आप? Do you want? आप चाहते कि आपको भी ज्ञान प्राप्त हो, आप एक अच्छे स्पीकर बने. Do you want? See, I will tell you only one Guru Mantra to become anything in your life. Have patience and practice hard. Have patience and practice hard. Right now you all are on the journey of becoming a great speaker. You want to speak good English, but how will you speak? English अच्छी बोलनी कैसे, अच्छे स्पीकर कैसे बनी? यार सबसे पहले ना अच्छे लिसनर बनना है. क्या बनना है? अच्छे लिसनर बनना है. लोगों को सुनना है, लोगों से ज्ञान लेना है, ताकि वो नॉलेज हम इम्प्लीमेंट कर सके अपनी लाइफ में. क्लियर? आप अगर खाली दिमाग लेके जा रहे हो लोगों के सामने कि भैया मैं तो बस बोलूँगा, ऐसे नहीं बोलना ना. कुछ ऐसा बोलना है कि लोग सुने और ताली बजाएं, है ना? ऐसा नहीं कह रहे कब उतरे स्टेज से और हमारा भी टाइम थोड़ा बहुत हो गया है. फील हुआ ऐसा कि यार बस बोर हो रहे हैं, यार फीलिंग वो. Did you feel bored? Good. Okay, one more question. Do you want first refreshment or award? What do you want first? Award ceremony or refreshment? First award or refreshment? Okay, how many people want refreshment first? मैं कह रहा हूँ खाना पहले खाना है या अवार्ड? खाना और अवार्ड? Okay, just wait 10 minutes. आपको खाली 10 मिनट वेट करना पड़ेगा. बेटा water is coming. Wait. बेटा we are going to select you all work hard. आपने सभी मेहनत की थी वोकैबुलरी कंपटीशन के लिए. की थी, ठीक है. और हमने ना उसमें 3 ट्रॉफीज रखी थी और एक कैश प्राइज रखा था फर्स्ट विनर के लिए, ठीक है. और 3 winners we are going to choose for public speaking session. Those have performed on the stage today, we are going to award them and we are going to declare first, second, third among us. ठीक है. हम में से ही हम फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड डिक्लेयर करेंगे that who spoke better, कि किसने अच्छा बोला. Good. Will you give me 10 minutes?
Yes sir.
आप मुझे सभी 10 minutes देंगे?
Yes sir.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि बस आप शोर मचाना शुरू हो जाएंगे. शोर? ओ बेटा पानी है, पानी ला के दे दो बेटा. ये डेविड लाइव बेटा बैठे रहो. जाएं बेटा. बोटा इस और भी न्यूज में हाँ बेटा आप
कीजिए.
सपनों में आ सकते हैं इसमें सब में बांट
मुझे देना
बेटा हिमांशु will you please bring discipline in class? सपोर्ट करोगे डिसिप्लिन बनाएंगे बेटा जरा खड़े होकर के प्लीज बेटा क्वेश्चन वो सिर्फ काम दे बेटा यहाँ खड़े होकर 2 मिनट
डिसिप्लिन बनाना है
हाँ they are making shout they are shouting or not please बेटा पानी मिल रहा है ना you will get it बेटा बैठ के पी लो Guys, wait 5 minutes more, ठीक है? We are just going to declare the result, okay? इतना तो यार वेट करना बनता ही है.
Yes sir.
So we are excited.
Good.
His teacher.
गौरव
यस सर भैया आ गई सब भैया आ गए बोलो
और भाई
देर देर हां सर वो
ओए योगेश हाँ ले रखी है अच्छा कौन सा
सर पता कुछ भी नहीं बताया सर कुछ भी नहीं
जा सकते हैं, कोई जाना चाहते हैं? कितनी जल्दी है? इतनी मेहनत करके आप कैरेट सर अब हम लौट के जा रहे हैं।
मजे ना आ रहे
5 मिनट और नहीं वेट कर सकते।
सर जो जीता हूं मैं देखता हूं खाने के बाद खाते चलो खा के भाग जाते
5 सर्टिफिकेट्स तो लिखने हैं मुझे। बच्चों को जाओ। आपकी छुट्टी मोनिका गलत बात।
Hello.